What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers. So please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 20 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 20 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. You put $100 initially when you open that brokerage account. You're going to get 8 free publicly traded stocks. You put $1,000 in that Moomoo brokerage account when you initially open it. You're going to get 20 free publicly traded stocks just for trying out their brokerage app. There's a link down in the description box. Click on that Moomoo link. Go open up that Moomoo account today, guys. Don't delay, act today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Woo! I gotta tell you guys, you gotta have a strong plan to have 11,000 plus shares of Nvidia stock right now. When I look back over the last couple of months where, Nvidia stock split 10-1 on June 10th. Now I look at June 7th and I say to myself, the stock price has gotten all the way to 140 post split and down to $90 a share post split. What happened? $50 per share decline in the stock price over the last 2 months. That makes you think, especially someone that has 11,000 shares of this stock. Anywhere from $95 a share up to $120 a share is what I paid. So I'm heavily invested. Got a lot of my net worth on the line here. And I'm asking myself, did I make the right choice? Or did I get caught up in the FOMO? I've been asking myself that question. And here's what I've been coming back to. I keep coming back to the company. Yes. The market says, be careful with this company. Even though it's the leader in its industry and it has the most market share and it's had 4 quarters in a row of triple-digit revenue growth and net profit growth and all of that good stuff. They got the best products. A lot of folks on Wall Street are saying the AI revolution is dead. And if the AI revolution is dead, no matter how great of a company you are in the forefront of the AI revolution, if there are no sales to be had, there's no revenue to be had, you kind of flounder. You kind of got to pivot and find some way to make revenue, right? Now, good for me, guys. I don't believe any of that rhetoric. I don't believe any of that propaganda. I think the AI revolution is just starting. I think it can be, over the next 5 years, I think it can be a $10 to $15 trillion industry. And I think Nvidia, however you want to pronounce it, is in the front of that. So yeah, I think I made the right decision. Yeah, stock price down $50 a share since it hit 140 back in, I believe, June. It's down by $50 a share. But I don't lose any sleep at night. I don't lose any sleep at night because I still believe I made the right decision. I think ultimately this company and the artificial intelligence industry is going to go to the moon. I believe that. Now, we know we got Nvidia's, fiscal year Q2 earnings report that will be coming out on August 28th. And I believe right there is where we start this momentum train going again. I've been saying that for the last month or so. So if you've been watching my YouTube channel, you know I went on the record and said August 29th is the day where we turn this thing around. Another thing I know about the stock market, because I've been doing it for 30 years, is that it's a continuous bull market, right? And we have these temporary consolidations and corrections. I mean, you can call it whatever you want to, rotate out of mega cap, hyperscalers, semiconductors, AI industry. You rotate out of that and you go into something that you believe is the next big thing. And right now, people are saying the next big thing is going to be small caps that benefit from a reduction in interest rates. I ain't smart enough to figure all that out, guys. I can't tell what these guys on Wall Street what to do with their money or with their clients' money. You can't tell them what to do. If that's what they feel the next big thing is going to be, they're going to create it and make sure it's the next big thing because they control the stock market. When they're ready to rotate out of something, they feel like they've made their money, they're going to rotate out. But one thing I read this morning that made sense to me, it said, you know, these institutional investors on Black Monday, when you look at the volume of buying as opposed to selling, there was way more buying on Black Monday. So what does that tell you? They're starting to get back into the buying game. And at some point, I believe they're going to reverse course and start running these stocks back up. Over the last month or so, they've been running them down. And they've been running them down for a reason, because they make money on the way down and they make money on the way up. Life ain't fair, guys. They control the stock market. They make the rules in the stock market, not us retail investors. We don't make no rules. We either follow the rules or we don't play. So they make money on the way down, they make money on the way back up. I think we're getting ready to start seeing this thing go back up. Now, if you look at it today, you would say to yourself, no, Richard, I think you're wrong. Nvidia jumped out of the hole today doing great at the beginning of the day. The beginning of the trading day, it did great. By the end of the trading day, it plummeted again. Only thing I can chalk that up to, guys, is you have a lot of volume. You have a lot of buy volume. I think you have a lot of buy volume in the morning, and then you have a lot of sell volume in the afternoon. That's the only thing I can think of, because it spikes up in the morning, and then it spikes down in the afternoon and after hours. So it seems to me there's some day trading going on where people are buying heavy in the morning and they're selling heavy in the afternoon. And the stock is in a position right now that day traders can do that, especially if it's a big enough swing in buying. And then if it's a big enough swing in selling in the afternoon, that's the only thing I can think of. But again, you got to look at the company. You got to ask yourself, has the company done something wrong? Has the company dropped the ball on revenues? Has the company dropped the ball on product? Has the company dropped the ball on market share? And I got to say no to all three of those. And I think we will see evidence of that on August 28th. I think this stock will turn itself around. I think people will get behind this stock again. I've already read reports on Wall Street that there are analysts who are behind this stock. Most of your professional analysts still grade this stock as a buy. Not a hold, not a sell, but just a buy. So for me, I'm feeling good about that. And again, I'm a long-term guy, right? I'm a long-term guy in this thing. And it's only human nature, guys, to think, did I make a mistake? Especially when you got as many shares as I have. I got 11,200 shares. You do the math. I got 7 figures in this stock. That's part of my portfolio, but 7 figures. So it's only natural to think about that. But again, I've been doing this for 30 years, so I know what I'm doing. I still believe long-term Nvidia is going to do great, and I'm going to hang in there till it does. While I'm hanging in there, I'm going to make some short-term plays like Palantir. I'm going to buy a bunch of Palantir, and I'm going to hold that for a short-term play, 1 to 2 year play. It's trading, last time I looked at it, it was trading about $27, $28 a share. I'm thinking if it can get to $100 a share over the next couple of years, if it continues to do what it's been doing and have the results that it had last quarter and the quarter before, I think Palantir can be a good short-term play for me. So I'm going to be all over that. I also talked about in my live stream this morning, Oracle. I think Oracle is a hyperscaler, right? It has an opportunity to also, I think that stock was about $130 a share, 127, something like that. That's another good short-term play for me. Maybe even a long-term play with Oracle. Let's take that back. Not really short-term, but long-term. And then I looked at ServiceNow. Stock price around $800 a share, but I think it's primed for a stock split. I wouldn't purchase until after the stock split. So I'm going to keep my eye on that one. But right now, Palantir is the one. At $27 a share, I think in 3x itself over the next 2 years, I can make a nice little short-term profit while I'm waiting on all my long-term stuff to mature. Drop me some comments, man, down in the comment box and let me know what you think about my plan. Do you think I was crazy to put 7 figures into Nvidia stock, whatever you want to call it? Did I make a mistake? Or am I on to something here? Drop it down in the comment box and let me know your thoughts. Because I know you will, especially my billionaire YouTube comment guys. My billionaires, I know y'all gonna comment, but I want the ordinary folk, not the billionaire. Billionaires, y'all can make a comment too, because I know you are. But the regular folk, make a comment. Did I make a mistake, or is this thing gonna turn out right for me? Again, if you want up to 20 free stocks, you got to get yourself down in the description box and click on the Moo link. Open up that Moo account today, put $100 in, you get 8 free stocks. Put $1,000 in your brokerage account, you get 20 free stocks. Publicly traded companies, guys. Don't miss this opportunity to build your wealth. Get down in that description box and click on that Moo link. And while you're down in the description box, take a look at my website, www.richardfain.net. Go check out those digital products that I got for you guys to help collapse time frames and get to your pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Also, consider joining the private mentorship club, fastest growing financial community on Patreon. Become a wealth builder. Come over there and join us, guys. Well, guys, I appreciate you stopping by the channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. See it in your mind, hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. Peace.